everyone, I'm Chetna and I'm back with another video. Today my video is going to be on preparing Coco Peat, which is the base for growing any kind of plant. So let's begin. Let us try to understand what is Coco Peat. Coco Peat is a multi-purpose growing medium which is made out of the coconut husk. The coconut husk is dried and sieved in the factories so that there are no impurities like sand or other hard materials in it. The Coco Peat has this special property of being antifungal, and it doesn't require any fertilizers, herbicides or pesticides because it is very rich in nutrients on its own. It can be mixed into the soil to increase its water retention capacity. Today, you will see how to prepare Coco Peat for sowing seeds and growing plants out of it. You must have seen in my previous videos that my son Rehan usually takes part either in harvesting or taking care of the plants. So today also he is going to be helping me in preparing the Coco Peat. Rehan, come here. So that's Rehan. Come on, say hello.
Hello. Let's start.
Okay, so now we're going to begin the process of preparing the Coco Peat. The first step is to shred the block a little bit, if it's possible to do that with your hands. Rehan, come on, do that.
Yes, Mama. So like this.
Yes, and
Then add water.
then add water to it, just enough to soak it, and then see if it needs more. Yes, it does need more.
It needs a lot more.
Yes, I'm adding a lot more. You will see that it expands, and this entire tub is going to get filled with this 250 gram original weight Coco Peat. Let's add more water. There you go. I think that's going to be enough. You can let it rest for some time. Just let your hand stay there and let it rest and absorb the water. I usually add a scoop of the plant feed to make the Coco Peat more nutritious, and then mix that as well. This is how the Coco Peat will look like after expanding, and then we need to add soil, the garden soil, to it. And mix it properly. This is the mixture, which contains 60% Coco Peat, 30% garden soil, and around 10% manure or plant feed. And after making this mixture, you have to put it into either a garden seed bed that you have made in your garden, or into trays like these. And then make sure the mixture is going into every hole. Okay, so that's how we prepared the seed trays with the Coco Peat soil and plant feed mixture in them. The only thing left to do in this is to sow some seeds and then nurture those seeds. I would recommend starting the seeds indoors if it is rainy season or the temperature outside is not compatible, and then transplanting the plants to containers or garden after they have grown a certain length. help you through this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for taking out your precious time for watching this video.